So today we're making a Jamaican Breeze, so stay tuned. I'll have the ingredients for you coming up next. The ingredients are 1 thumb of peeled fresh ginger, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1.5 ounces of Appleton Estates Reserve rum, 1 dash of Angostura bitters, and we're going to garnish with a lime wheel. Time to make the Jamaican Breeze. So I'm going to start with a thumb of ginger, fresh ginger peeled. I usually peel that with a spoon. And then I'm going to cut this up a little bit and get it into my mixing tin here. And then I'm going to muddle this just 3-4 times here, 5-6 times. You just want to release that ginger, but you don't want to do more than 1 inch or a thumb of ginger because it just overpowers the drink. It's way too spicy. So next we're going to have 2 ounces of pineapple juice. I usually get my pineapple juice from Trader Joe's. It's the easiest for me. We're going to have 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Put that in there. Then we're going to have 1.5 ounces of Appleton 8-year rum. And then just a dash of Angostura bitters, which I kind of did 2. That's fine. And then I'm going to mix this cocktail. Put some ice in there. That pineapple juice should really froth up a lot. So get my cup here. I'm going to use 2 1-inch pieces of ice. And then I'm just going to pour it right over the top. With my strainer. Then I'm going to garnish this with a lime wheel. So I'll bring back in my cutting board here and get a nice lime wheel cut off of here. Get that on the top. And that is the Jamaican Breeze. All right, I am super excited to try this cocktail. So I'm going to use a Surfside Sips straw in there so I can get it into my face a lot faster. I love pineapple juice cocktails. I love tiki drinks. It's spicy from the ginger. It's fruity. It's caramely. It's rich. And that pineapple pulls it all together with those sweet notes to balance it all together. I will say that, again, if you use too much ginger, then it becomes too spicy. And fresh ginger really is the key. You've got to try this drink. It's so delicious. This cocktail is a real testament to the creator. His name is Willie Shine. I found this recipe on liquor.com, and that Appleton Estates rum is caramely and so great. It's one of my favorite rums. I love it, so it's a testament to that as well. All right, so join me on Instagram for a picture and a recipe. I'm over there at Home Bartender Ann. And I'm also on Facebook. So here on YouTube, please hit the subscription button, and then right after that, the notification bell. That will notify you when we have new videos out, which happens every Friday. Hit the like button, and please share it with your friends if you find my content to be valuable. Next week, I'm going to make a cocktail using Rangpur Tanqueray gin. So join me then, home bartenders. Be well.